Good morning, This is a beautiful morning. I am in the beautiful island of Jamaica and I'm going for my morning walk. Not to show the people I'm also around, but just going for a little walk around the block. It's so quiet and peaceful. The whole community is so like no noise. It's kind of surreal. When you're used to like lots of noises, cars, police cars, ambulance trucks and all that stuff on the road, you're like, oh my gosh. But this morning is so nice and quiet and peaceful. I like it. I can hear myself think. I can think without worrying. Anyway, I hope whatever you're doing today will be having a great day. I tried to come out early this morning because you know the weather is hot, and when it's hot, it's crazy. It burns your skin. Even though I have my sunscreen that I brought with me, but still I have to like, you know. But yeah, this is, I won't tell you where it is. But it's just a good little walk. It's a good little walk. I hope you're doing your walking this morning. Walking is good for you. It's good for the mind. It's good for the joints as well. And it makes you think. When you have like this peaceful surrounding, you can think, you know. A lot of people probably sleeping at the moment, but it's just like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning, Jamaica time though. And this is a nice little walk. Nothing's happening in Jamaica right now. The weather is not as hot as England. When I arrived on Friday, it was 27 degrees in Jamaica. When I left the UK on Friday, it was 34 degrees. So as you can see, there's two different climate, but it was okay. Once I got to the airport in Jamaica, the breeze was so lovely. Oh my gosh, it was peaceful. It was just beautiful. Different from the UK. I don't understand how the UK gets so hot, you know. All of a sudden it's just like burning up. This massive heat wave. Jamaica's supposed to be 24 hours, 24/7 hotness. But the UK was burning up, man. And this morning I'm walking at the moment, the heat starts to build up. The heat is building up. But it's not too bad. That's the reason why I come out this early to do this morning vlog with you. As you can see, the sun is, you know, got his hat on. But yeah, it's a lovely day. I'm here in Jamaica for 2 weeks, spending time with my mum for my birthday. Don't forget to subscribe. For the new subbies, thank you for coming on board. Thank you for joining. Thank you for liking the videos. You've heard over there. Thank you for liking the videos, and don't forget to tell your friends about it and let them subscribe as well. You know, I love these houses because they have this little bin thing in front of the house where you can put your rubbish in. So the rubbish man, there it is. The rubbish man can collect it easily. It's really nice. It's not like the UK where everybody's been going, everybody's been. for the you know, I always laugh. The UK is like a top 10 richest country in the world, or maybe even top 5, but maybe top 10. And everybody rubbish going, everybody's rubbish. And look at Jamaica. Every house has their own little rubbish skip. If you don't have a grill like this, I think you can buy it yourself. You can have a barrel like that as well. And It's good. It's really good, but listen, I am gonna leave it here. Oh, I didn't show you me. This is me. I said I'm in Jamaica for 2 weeks. So let me know where you are for the rest of the vlog. Actually, I'm gonna turn up here and see what's up here as well. This is a morning walk here, man. A morning walk in the neighborhood. This is my second time in this neighborhood. And I'm loving it. I am loving the walk. See some other people walking as well. You're not the only person that's walking, which is so good. I love a morning walk. I really do. It makes a whole lot of sense when you walk in the morning. Enjoy your Sunday, everyone. If you're making your lovely dinner this morning, enjoy your dinner. And good morning. Enjoy your dinner. And if you're cooking fried chicken and rice and peas, can you save me some? Or send me some? Send me some of the chicken and rice and peas, please. Or if you're from a different country, what's your national dish? Let me know. Let me know. Oh, the weather feels so nice on my back. Yeah. I must tell you, my flight was good. Listen, I have a rant video coming out, right? But I'm gonna just like extend on the ranting. Okay, so got on the plane, British Airways as usual, to Kingston. Once you go on the plane and you start moving down in the passage, everybody just stop right there, putting up their stuff in the bag. And I just had a flashback. Like British Airways, it reminds me of this big bus. You know, if you're Jamaican, you know, big country bus, like the Beverly's buses. That's what British Airways reminds me of. Nobody can get on that plane and get in their seat on time and sit down. You know, nobody. Them pulling down the thing, the overhead lockers, they're pushing stuff up. When the pilot said everybody can sit down, the safety belt is on, people still moving around, walking up and down like they don't care, like they're on the ground on a bus. And I'm like, what the hell? The pilot said the seatbelt is on, baby's crying. It just reminds me of a big country bus. That's just what it reminds me of. Look, that frog died. A sad death. Yeah, that's what the plane. And then, but what, you know, the flight was good. The flight was absolutely good. We didn't have any turbulence, which was so bloody good. I think because it was so hot, but there was a smooth flight. The landing was nice as well. Oh my gosh, guys, the landing was amazing. It just went on, boom, and everybody was like, yeah, it was super nice, the landing. But boy, low behavior. Once the plane landed, even though the pilot said, can you remain in your seat until the seatbelt sign is off, then we can, you'll be able to get up and go. Huh. You're telling that to a deaf child. Thank you very much. You're telling that to a deaf person. People don't even care. They go up same way and they just like, they didn't care. Absolutely. They just start picking up their suitcases, and then the one long line at the end and nobody's moving. So I just sat in my seat and everybody pretty much get off the plane. Then I got off. I mean, it's just, nothing never changed on British Airways. I think that's what they're doing. I think it's a Jamaican thing. And the air hostess were like, they just standing there watching like, seriously? You're not gonna sit down? Everybody don't care, but as once the plane land, then it's like, okay, that's it. If we can jump out now. You know, it's just crazy. Oh, I don't know. Every year is the same thing with British Airways. I think they used to Jamaicans by now. They just want to get off the plane and just run out like mad people on the streets and go, yeah, Jamaica, we're here. Oh my gosh. It was all right this time though. Normally I would wait for a long time to get my suitcase on the carousel. Suitcase came out quick and fast. Immigration clear was quick and fast. It was just smooth this time. I don't know. In the winter when I got here, it was a hassle. But it was cool this time. And yeah, I had a good experience apart from the people who was making the problem. Ugh. But yeah, anyway guys, I am talking too much. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the scene, and I will catch you in another one of my videos. Have a wonderful Sunday, and we'll talk soon.